Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to report a direct message conversation on Twitter using your PC. First, make sure you're in the direct message conversation that you'd like to report. Once you're there, look for the More icon. It looks like 3 dots arranged vertically. Click on that icon. Next, a menu will pop up with several options. Select Report Username from the list. This will prompt Twitter to review the conversation and take appropriate action if necessary. If you believe the conversation is abusive or harmful, choose the option that says it's abusive or harmful. Twitter will then ask you to provide additional information about the issue you're reporting. Be as detailed as possible so they can investigate effectively. Remember, reporting inappropriate behavior helps keep Twitter a safe and positive platform for everyone. Don't hesitate to speak up if you encounter any form of harassment or abuse in your direct messages. And that's it. You've successfully reported a direct message conversation on Twitter using your PC. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.